Choosing the right water dispenser can make a big difference in your daily convenience. Today, we're comparing bottom-loading and top-loading water dispensers to help you decide which is best for your needs. We'll explore their pros and cons and help you make an informed decision. Top-loading dispensers are the traditional choice. They're generally more affordable and widely available. Top-loading dispensers are a classic and practical choice, offering several advantages. Lower initial cost. Because their design is less complex, top-loading dispensers are generally more affordable to manufacture. This means you'll find them at a lower price point compared to bottom-loading models, making them a budget-friendly option. Simpler design, often with fewer parts that can break. With fewer intricate components, there's less that can go wrong. This simplicity translates to easier maintenance and a longer lifespan, potentially saving you money on repairs. Imagine less time worrying about your water dispenser and more time enjoying refreshing water. Wide variety of models available. Due to their long-standing popularity, you'll find a vast selection of top-loading dispensers on the market. From basic models to those with added features like hot and cold water options, there's a top-loading dispenser to suit every need and preference. This large selection also allows you to more easily find a style that fits into your home or office aesthetic. The need to lift and invert heavy water bottles can be a significant physical strain. This is particularly problematic for elderly individuals, those with back problems, or anyone with limited physical strength. The large, exposed water bottle can detract from the overall appearance of your space. It might not blend well with modern or minimalist decor. Because of the bottle on top, these dispensers require more vertical clearance than bottom-loading dispensers. This can be problematic in spaces with low ceilings or limited overhead space. Bottom-loading dispensers offer a more convenient and ergonomic solution. So, which one is better? It depends on your priorities. If budget is your primary concern and you don't mind lifting heavy bottles, a top-loading dispenser might be suitable. However, if convenience and aesthetics are important, a bottom-loading dispenser is a worthwhile investment. For offices and homes where many will be using the dispenser, bottom-loading is generally the better choice.